Most people think investing is risky, but the real risk is not understanding how your money works. Welcome to Investing Essentials for Beginners. This is a practical training series designed to help you understand how investing works without jargon, hype, or overwhelm. If you've ever felt unsure about where to start, worried about making mistakes, or confused by investing terminology, this course is for you. Over the course of this training, we will cover why investing matters and how inflation affects your money, the different types of investment accounts available, how to invest in a simple, diversified way, common mistakes beginners make and how to avoid them, how to build long-term wealth with confidence and clarity. Each lesson is short, focused, and it is designed to build on the last lesson. This course is specifically created for beginners, people who want to invest sensibly for the long term, and anyone who wants to understand investing before taking actions. This is a financial education, not financial advice, and the aim is to help you make informed decisions that suits your own circumstances. In Module 1, we will start with the foundations, understanding why investing matters in the first place. Let's begin with the first lesson. Why invest? Understanding inflation and real returns.